This great 2007 Dodge 3500 comes equipped with a responsive 5.9-liter inline six-cylinder engine, an effortless transmission, and has rear-wheel drive. This four-door crew cab long bed truck has comfortable seats, 104,858 miles, and its electronic features include a computer that displays the vehicle's average fuel consumption and its range, based on its remaining fuel. For the safety of you and your passengers, this vehicle has a four-wheel anti-lock braking system, 4 ventilated disc brakes and both driver and passenger side front airbags with integrated multi-stage deployment system. Call or come in today to schedule a test drive.